Welcome to Living Elements. This is a 2-bedroom property in downtown Sidlesham. I'm going to give you a walk around. It's fully wheelchair accessible. There's an enormous kitchen diner, big kitchen, fridge freezer, dishwasher, big 3-seater sofa, and then going around in order. There's a spacious wheelchair accessible toilet, sink and mirror, a little bit of storage. And then this is the shower room cum utility room. Again, some storage. Lovely view out to the garden, which is a shared garden. A plus grade washing machine and tumble dryer if you aren't able to use the outside. Big walk-in shower and a relatively small toilet. Everything has fire doors here. This is the house wolf. Her name is Echo. And then this is the principal bedroom. Big French patio doors out to the garden. This is a super king size or twin bed. There is a little bit of storage behind the door. A large set of drawers, some hanging space. Sink, again view out to the garden, and then from here back into the lounge we will go through into the second bedroom. This is set up as a twin, but could be a super king size double. This is a particularly warm room as the underfloor heating comes from the other side of that wall. Again, big, large chest of drawers. And then the kitchen itself, there's a good amount of storage space. Bin, cleaning things. This is the dishwasher. Lots of storage. Lots and lots of storage. Full burner hob and oven. Plenty of cutlery. And the fridge freezer. There is one parking space associated with this property. We are an 8-minute walk away from the bus, which goes from Chichester to Selsey and back every 15 minutes during the day, which is an excellent service. So if you are interested in renting this, let me know. please go and give me a call on 077 69 746 113. This is Nature's Elements, and I look forward to welcoming you to stay.